What's up, guys? Whee! Sorry, I was still busy editing. This thing is gonna take me a while, I've noticed. Which is fine, no complaints. We just carry on. But shush. But we've got this. I think we've got this. It's the last day. Well, no, not the last day. That's a lie. That is a lie. Let's see if we can save this. That's basically where we're at. Gordon, what's up, Louis? How you doing?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How goes? How goes? Go. Chilling in this NQ trade in drawdown. Oh dear. Oh no. Okay, Louis. Don't worry, you're gonna be wait, were you short? Did you take a short from level to level? Not a bit of a weird— no, I guess not. I was gonna ask, like, is it not a bit of a weird time to be in trades, but nah. I guess it's actually not. Okay, wait. Ooh. Ooh. Louis, what's up? Why are you awake? Isn't it like the middle of the night for you? Seriously, the middle of the night? I longed. Oh, but a bit too late. Oh, shoot. I see. I see. There we go. What do you think? 11:52. Okay, so basically midnight. Price action lady is not nice. I agree. Meme King, what mouse stands on 2 feet? I don't know. What mouse stands on 2 feet? But you are correct. The price action recently has been— oh, so bad. Oh, so bad. Seriously, not fun at all. So I have a plan. It's just probably a really bad plan. Like, a really bad plan, but it's a plan. Mickey Mouse, oh damn. All ducks. You thought you would get me. All ducks stand on 2 feet. Yeah, me and Louis, we've got this. Me and you, we've got this. One brain cell today. Okay, speaking about one brain cell, let me quickly mark out all the relevant things I need to work out. So there's a new weekly opening gap. That was taken out. London High, cannot believe it edged people like that yesterday. That is so rude. New York High. And I feel like I cleaned my glasses, but did the absolute worst job at it. My glasses feel like they are worse off than they were. That's okay. We just continue, right? Hey, Bartek, what's up? And Jean-Pierre, what's up? Trump, Oxford. Are you serious? What a ridiculous world we live in, Veda. You said relevant? Most Africano? Wait, did I? Relevant. I just think it's sassy. To be fair, I just think it's more sassy than anything else. But my bad, my me. Dun. We mark on this here as well. Okay. Oh, so much buy-side liquidity. Oh, so much buy-side liquidity. Is any of it going to be taken? Good question. Very good question. Who knows? Open. Opening range. Let's do this, people. I have not had any coffee. I haven't had my iron tablet. I should maybe go and do that. Hey, Busy, what's up? Last couple. What do you mean last couple hundred? It's last 100. Give me 2 seconds. Let me actually go get my iron tablet before I forget, because I know me, I will forget. So give me a momento. Uno momento, por favor. I actually can't stress this enough, but having tablets with coffee is a really bad idea. But it is what it is. Okay. Abel, what's up? So Veda, I see you got a lot of indicators there. Don't they cloud your judgment and affect your decision making? So to be fair, I don't really use majority of them. Literally. All women are just iron males because we are female. Fe on the periodic table of elements is iron. Anyways, moving on. I'm sorry for being so lame. So I don't actually use majority of the indicators. Basically the main one I use is this and VWAP. And VWAP is more of a magnet slash could be a rejection zone like there. All the others I mark just to mark out like potential liquidity sweeps, you know, higher probability of it reaching a specific point, you know, those type of things, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Anyways, so like midnight open. Let's just see what today brings. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's just see what today brings with all this chaos that is today. Anyways, dun, 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 dun. Sorted.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Are we ready for today? I am not ready for today, but this is gonna irritate me, so problem solved. Okay, it's out the way now. Winning. Okay, mark that up, mark that up, mark that up. Let's do a quick top to bottom analysis and then we go from there. Bam, 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 bam. Let me pause that. Michael, what's up? What's in my watch list? Oh, Veda. Oh, so many things. Mostly because a lot of people are like, oh, check this out, check this out, check this out, and then I kind of put them up. I did get rid of a bunch. There used to be a whole lot more, to be fair. But let's quickly check out daily. What's up, Dead? What's up, traders? X30. How goes? How goes? Let's quickly check. So, daily charts. Look. Oh my gosh, what is that? So, any news today or anything that's gonna help drive this market? Oh. No. Not really. Cool. That's fun. So nothing really is what I get. Sorry, Michael. No idea what you're saying. I'm trying my best. I love that. Yes, I am South African. How are you doing? Oh, your resonance. Shout out. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Anyways, what I wanted to say is X3O is on a roll. Darren, is there? I have no idea. Espanol. Oh no, I do not speak Spanish. Sorry. My parents can speak Spanish because they're cool kids. I am not a cool kid. I am part of the lame kids club. As you can tell by me just doing that. Yay! We're starting today. Okay, let's try that again. Starting today with a bang. By bang, I mean it's about to get weird up in here because I'm weird and that's what I do. No wonder. Look at yesterday. Yesterday was disgusting. Disgusting. What the mood? Okay, anyway, that is terrible price action. Guys, what on earth? I feel less bad about having all the losses yesterday. Anyways. Yeah, always good things. I'm from south of Joburg. That is awesome. I'm currently KZ inside, but I actually will be moving back up to Joburg, Pretoria, you know, that side of the world. Michael, don't worry. Why are you sorry? Oh, wait, that I'm not part of the cool kids club. I get it. I would also be sorry. It happens. Maybe one day when I'm big, I'll be cool like you. Unfortunately, I'm not. So, thoughts on today and this price action? Because the only thoughts I got right now are what the fudge? What the fudge sticks? You know, what the frick frack snick snack is going on here? But let's do this. Joker, thank you. I appreciate it. We're heading. I have buy orders sitting there waiting for bed. No, I showered this morning. Boom. It's actually like a little bit overcast and nice and cool today. What a relief. I'm not complaining. Barcodes is what I see. Maria? This is rubbish. Like, this is sugar honey iced tea. That is all this freaking price action is right now. It's just all the sugar honey ice and tea. Well, pay my trading. Trade the range. J-Ray, I'm really bad at trading the range. I'm not even gonna like try and sugar. Oh, that doesn't look terrible on the 15-minute. What I was saying is I'm not even gonna try sugarcoat it. Me and trading range, not friends. But pay my trading. I'm actually trading the Nasdaq futures, MNQ to be specific. Move back from Plunga. Oh, cool. What the freak? Aussie friend always tunes me that. Really? Did they add the snick snack to it? I'm thinking consolidation for a bit and that move up. At least that's what I'm hoping. KZN suck. I actually agree with you. Like, the beaches are beautiful down here. I am gonna be sad to move away from the beach, but yeah, just yeah. Sucks has been like this for days though. I know, and it's not like, and there's nothing you can do about it. I think that's the annoying thing. Like I said, I'm such a small, insignificant little fishy. My orders are gonna mean absolutely nothing. Anyways, that's the 15-minute. I'm sorry, I've been having fat chats with you guys, which is fine. One thing, wait, Louis, were you taken out, by the way? I see that it's now going in a solid downward direction. Did you get out of your buy in profit or not? Hey Lefa, you blew your account. I've never made profit at all this year. Why? Oh, this year's been tough. To be fair, I'm about to blow my funded, my first ever funded, which kind of sucks. Ugh, in the same breath, it is what it is. Not much you can do about it, right? You just gotta keep on keeping on, but if like they actually do. Inflation. Yeah, probably boom. Draw a box around the range and wait for it to hit the bottom to get long and vice versa at the top. J-Ray, you are not the first person who has kind of mentioned that. So would it look something like this? Obviously that was the box, it tapped in and now is dropping down. Is that what you are doing currently, J-Ray? Interesting. See what it looks like on the 1 minute, but I mean the 5 minute, that would have been pretty solid there. With all this consolidation. Where's the... So, Jerry, what you are saying is you would basically have that type of situation, right? Maybe a little lower down. And you're like, cool, that's my range. Spiked up. Oh, it actually just tapped into the bob level. Dagnabbit. Okay. Let's wait and see if we get some decent momentum, though. Trader danger. I love that so much. That is so cool. What's up? How's it going in day trading? Oh, JJ, it's hard. Are you a scalper or a investor? What's your thing? You just check the chart and you're about to miss a sell on the weekly time frame. Good grief, you trade the weekly time frame? How freaking massive is your stop loss? Am I coming? No, I'm not. Ah, thank you. How much we made today? Nothing yet. The phone was on. No, which is... Oh damn. 24136 low. Oh damn, you think it's going all the way down to not yesterday's New York low, the previous day New York low? I wouldn't be surprised. Louis, I bet it takes me out the on the town for some drinks. And... You know what? That's my new favorite thing. When people are like, "What do you want?" I'm like, "I just want someone to take me out." They're like on a date or. I'm like, it's up to you. Just take me out, you know, might make my life easier. Okay. Okay, no, let's wait for a little bit more momentum. Let's wait for a little bit more momentum. Because part of me is like, I don't actually hate this, but let's maybe not rush into doing things and things and stuff just yet. With my little $100 just hanging on there for dear life. I am day trading, yes. I have 400 point round. Still yet to go up. This is only the start. Things are gonna get worse. No, don't. Let's not be negative. Hopefully things are gonna get resolved ASAP and life will go back to normal. I say oh so hopefully. Yet knowing that's probably not gonna happen. Thank you. Apparently I'm the queen of expressions. It's because my face is very loud. Can always tell what I'm thinking. 3-day range price actually. I'm gonna get into this trading thing. Ooh, okay. Vibes to streams. Maybe now is not the best time to do it. Just saying. Maybe wait until the world calms down a little bit. So damn it, damn you didn't get out of the way. Wait, which one are you gonna do, Louis? Which one are we gonna? Cause dating nowadays is a gamble. It's much like trading. It's a little bit terrifying. YOLO 60 contracts, just you know. Ironically, low-key, the idea I had, which is very tricky, and it could either work or it could screw me, is like when you see this starting to drop down, you mark it in for a sell, and when you see it starting to reverse, you get out. And you do that just with one contract the whole time, but that's very risky. You could get so screwed so quickly. And like I said, my emotions tend to go a little bit up there when I do that. So yeah. Mr. Big Feels, where did I get that? Where did I get what? What does my tattoo tell? Oh no, not much. It's the snails to do with my mother and the mushrooms, ironically. And then there's little what are they? Peach blossoms, yes. Because when I was growing up, just outside my window was a pretty little peach tree, well, like a mini peach tree. The peaches were like this big, but still, there was a little peach tree, and it was always my favorite in the spring when the blossoms blossomed. So yeah, it was just like a nice little memory. We'll go watch a band house now. Yeah, there are some South African punk rock bands, I think. I actually do not know. Fellow South Africans, are there any local South African punk rock bands? Story gonna drop. Wait, boom. Are you trading? Why does this feel worse than you? Okay, no. Let's not say that. Yesterday kind of started like this and then it just started moving, so let's give it a little bit of time. Let's not now lie and say it's not going anywhere. This could start doing things and stuff and moving. Oh, market gonna drop. Okay, there we go. Sorry to say, but I ran into this stream, so we're gonna see more bombs. I feel like the question is just, why is this all happening? I feel like it's very unnecessary. Oh, so unnecessary. But you know, it is what it is. Ain't nothing you can do about it. Joker, why are you yelling? Bay flag on 1 minute, we might be going for the 24136. I'm low-key curious. So J-Ray. Let's say I'm doing this out of curiosity's sake. Let's see how this works. Let's see if this works. It's spikes up and drops down. I'll keep this here as well, but I'm not convinced. Guys, I don't hate this freaking trade, which feels like a problem. Okay, let me give it a second before I get too excited. I traded during Asia already. Oh, how was it, Boom? Everyone to come, another company. Share news. I'm going long 2 micros, it's priming up, I hope. Beach man. I'm long, but only a couple micros when you see it breaks up, not add into the position. I need a tweet from the president! That a 50k cat, yeah. Both MQ and our daily support for pivots just need that push confirmation. I'm speaking at 120, maybe we might get some action. I do not know. Huh. See what this does here. I've undertook this hold below 3,000 contract with MQ. Long's on a bad idea because we're below open and haven't been taken. The only thing is you're going against the higher time frames. To be fair, I wasn't even actually looking at longs. I was still kind of looking at shorts here, but it is at a very high support level here. I mean, you can freaking see how it's been rejecting off of it. Wait. Oh, no, it's not. I was about to say, is it the NWAG? It's not the new weekly opening gap. Well, there was the little break below. I don't know if that quite counts. There was a break below. Let's see if this starts to spike up now. If it does, cool. If it loses the low, we are tanking. You're from India? What? I'm from South Africa. I picked the 25k fix from Lucid Trading. Nice. And how's it working out? Wait. Universal G, what's up? I look like trouble? Thanks. For anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Oh, guys. All I can say is, just see what today brings. Today might be the day I blow my first ever fund account, but it is what it is. We continue. When in doubt, take a step back. That's why I'm not taking this trade right now, because I'm not loving, well, the volume. The volume isn't voluming as the volume should be voluming, number one. Number two, I don't... Yeah. I feel like that was enough said. That whole, it's... That was pretty accurate. Hey, Mr. 1K, what's up? Shoe says there's my draw, but we've been so volatile it's not worth shorting unless we're in deep lower time frame premiums. This will be a very good short and long sell. Into recession sooner than expected. Guys, you guys are scaring me. Cause gosh. It's gonna be chaos if that happens. Top notch, what's up? Sorry, I didn't see what you said. What did you say? Oh, what time frame? I'm currently on the 1 minute. Woo! There it is. Alrighty, Ruth. Cool, cool. That was entertaining. What the actual heck, man? Cool, 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 cool. So what I'm going to see CMS is back about that. That's what. Hey Logan, just wanted to say open my Forex account and I have spent the last few days just watching the market and assessing my strategy. It's a demo, so no money online. Nice. And how's it been going, Logan? Me? That's a trap. Beachman, clearly you poked it and it went fine, I'll do something. You poked the bear. Get it? Because it's bearish. You poked the bear. Ah!
That's what she said.
Oh man, I think I'm funny. I know I'm not, but you know what? I think I am. Oh. Top notch? Okay. Pause. You're well, I guess you're then on the vertical. Go out, go into my page. You're gonna see there's two lives. There's a horizontal and a vertical. If you want to see all the extra stuff, that is on the horizontal. If you're on your phone or you just prefer this because you're more here for the chit chat than the chart and you want to stay in vertical, that's cool. I have two streams running. One vertical, one horizontal. Horizontal, you can see majority of chart. Okay. Important to that. Daniel, what's up? Range low coming. It's in queue. Yes, Dice Man. Yeah, top notch. There we go. People wish I could do that all the time. Yeah, Beachbed, that was impressive. No, Samuel, nothing yet. And it stomped me in the face. I'm so sorry, Louis. You get heat rash? I'm so sorry. Damn, Logan. No, I'm seeing the potential bullish back. Nasdaq. No. Sorry, I'm really, really bad at... Oh, shoot, man. But I am seeing a potential bob to bob level right now. Shoot. That being said, I don't even know where I would have put anything for this bob to bob. Would have had to been a market in when I saw that rejection. The rejection and engulfing. Something like this. So I'm still figuring out how to... Midpoint. It's a 1-to-1 R, but does it really freaking matter at this point? Let's see if this would have worked out. Actually, with how the rejection went, something rather like this would be the way to go. Let's see. Curious, I'm not in this trade, okay? Before people get excited, I'm still kind of... Yeah, low-key forward testing the bob one again, because I messed it up yesterday so badly. But I took the trades yesterday, so you know, let's be positive. I took the trades yesterday. Anyways, this should be a 1 or 2 hour hold for me. Thanks for the subscription. Took 10 off 4,000. Wrist is riding. Damn, J-Ray, that's not bad. Yeah, it's new. Started last year when you had a real high UV. My levels went away for the winter, came back as soon as it got warm. Is it like stress induced? Logan, that really, really sucks. Damn, I'm so sorry. I don't like the entry on this, but yeah. Use 5,000 tick chart to make structure that can manipulate like time-based candles. Large volume spike, good long, 24259. What did I just read? Yes, 259. Was that your entry? No, I'm confused. What do you mean, dice? Top Notch, did you go to the other screen now? And now you have no more complaints? Just checking. When will I take position? When the charts give me something to take. And am I married? No. So Boomer's gonna short. Dice says limit long. Wow. Sorry, I always love these discussions and the different thoughts that everyone has. Oh, it literally tapped into the new weekly opening gap. That's what happened. Look at that. Tippy tapped into the new weekly opening gap. So I try not to take it too far across, or else it does get a bit messy and then it irritates me. So it tapped and a solid rejection off of it. Let's see. Am I shouting? I hope I'm not shouting. Sorry. What is your second question, Top Notch? Sniper, how long have I been trading this? Well, this is my funded account. I've been trading it for just over like a month and a half. And as you can see, I am basically $100 away from blowing it. It's fine. It's fine. We move on. We continue. I already answered that, Top Notch. I said no. Price must reclaim the previous day low price. A month and a half. Wow, you're adorable. Thank you. But how long have I been trading for? I've been trading for nearly a year. 14th of April, exactly, will be a year of trading. So I mean, I passed my first eval. This was my first ever funded. I know I'm using it in past tense. No, this is my first ever funded. It may be about to die, but it's fine. Thank you. What did I trade before this funded? Hammer? What do you mean? Oh, just the evals. Hammer? Yes? No? What? Good gosh, Top Notch. Am I having a job interview? It low-key feels like that, hey? 1 year is nothing. I know, it's what I always have to keep telling myself, you know? And unfortunately... So hear me out, guys. Hear me out. Hear me out. I don't know if I'm making excuses. Maybe I am. If I am, call me out on it. It's fine. Unfortunately for me, the same time I passed my eval and got this funded, all the shenanigans that's happening in the world started. So the question is, did I blow this funded because of psychology? Or was it the whole drama in the world that's obviously been affecting the charts? So the strategy that I had for the charts pre-drama, so let's say pre-drama, obviously is not working out so well anymore. Like, I don't know if that's maybe just me making excuses. Maybe it is. But anywho, the point is, it could just be psychology for having the first funded. It could also be that, unfortunately, when I did get the funded, sugar honey iced tea hit the fan in the world. So unfortunately, the market conditions did not work with my strategy anymore, which does mean on the funded, I've been having to do some forward testing for a new strategy on a funded account, which is obviously not ideal either, but we continue and we adapt to the markets. The markets are not going to adapt to us, so we just continue. Hey Gok, what's up? How you doing? Enjoy, goodbye. Yeah, what's your age? From some. At least we need 2 years experience. Interesting. I was not here. Oh, don't worry, Hava. Yeah. So I just traded the 50k eval account. You blew this one because you're scared to take the good trades when you see it. No. I took it yesterday. Boom. I took them yesterday. Yeah, just unlocks. But I think the world situation was not been the best to trade recent weeks. In this type of market, you have to switch to scalping. Could be that your strategy doesn't work well in the current market conditions. That's exactly it. It is not working well in the current market conditions at all. Taken out more easily. Use standard stop loss levels. Interesting, Louis. Okay. Can't guarantee your TP will hit or trend will keep going in a certain direction. You heard that, right? Please say you heard that. You heard it? Right? Cool. That's the monkeys. I feel the market's making a move and just take it back before you can take the ride along with it. Basically. See, man, we're going bob to bob. We did go bob to bob here, but this potentially not. So just to give you an idea. So this is the forward testing strategy. This is the strategy I normally would trade, but this is not an A+ at all. The entry is wrong. I would have preferred entry up there, and as you can see, that just did not work at all. So build your confidence. I'm trying. It's difficult times. Boom. What's up, is it Lacan? I feel like I butchered that, sorry, but I'm just joining, please. Which pair is she trading? I can't clearly see it. Oh, Jalingo, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Single lot. You take 10 to 20 point hits and get some breathing room. Jared, that was low-key what I was thinking. I mean, how big? Yeah. I actually low-key wanted to do that. When you see the breakouts, 10 points. In and out. Maybe mark it and quickly when you see it going. And then be in for a little bit and then stop. Shoot. Okay, let me quickly open the door so Harry can bark at the monkeys. Can you hear him? Give me a second. I heard him jumping on the gate. Which means I have to let him out. Be right back. Okay. So, trading is easier if you only focus on one side of the marketplace when the higher time frame trend is clear. Okay, but trader danger, hear me out. Is the higher time frame trend clear right now? Like the daily is just sideways. Had to do that on a combine, only had $70 of drawdown left. Made 3,000 past. It didn't happen in minutes, it took hours. It can be done. See, Jerry, that's low-key what I'm thinking about doing. It's just... I don't know, is it dumb to do that? Thanks, Boom. Well, Boom, if you didn't say something, I was actually about to put him on timeout. If you want, you can. Go for it, have fun. Anyways. My scalping strategy is once I break past 10-15 points, set my stop there and keep moving it up after every 10-15 points until I get stopped out. Interesting. Damn, you have to be quick. What time frame do you... Oh my gosh. You guys heard that, right? That's the monkeys. Anyways. See, I'm not making things up. That was legit the monkeys being irritating. It's fine. Moving on back to the charts. Hey, Vladimir. What's up from Serbia? Cool. What's up from South Africa? Especially now I'm walking home in a thunderstorm. That's fun. On high time frame, everything bearish apart from weekly, which is bullish. What was that, monkeys? Yep, that was the monkeys. Damn, David. Okay, maybe don't. What the heck, man? Why is this not working? That's why Perry was barking now, because he wanted me to let him out so he can go and... He doesn't even bark at the monkeys, he just stares at them. Damn, when you get mentions, it makes me look like it. Sorry, no, you... I saw you after before, don't worry. Oh, gosh.
Emotional damage.
Oh gosh, anyways. Are you from Colombia? That's so cool. Guess what? A monkey sitting right in front of my house in my car, but... Girl? What? Where are you from? Why won't you knock me? I'm not saying it. Why wouldn't you? What? Gosh damn, guys, calm down. Be funded by the first time changes the goal. Wait. Be funded by the first time changes the goal from executing well to not losing, and the brain reacts with fear, ego, and dopamine, which breaks discipline. Damn. I actually like that. It changes from executing well to just not losing. That is awesome! Seriously, guys. Anyways. They're having a freaking party on the roof. Stop! At least you guys can hear it's not just me. They're going cray-cray. What just happened? Okay. What's happening with the subscriber thingy? Okay. Okie dokie. We're gonna pretend like nothing weird just happened. Bob's Bob buyers win. How do you know it isn't a person? Would your dog be barking if it was a human? Yeah. Oh, paparazzi. I definitely don't have paparazzi, but okay. But yes, he barks hectically if it's a person. Doesn't bark at the monkeys. Happy day? Damn, are you good? Big quick spike down. Wait for it to recover, you're already late for the move. You're being bought. Yeah, maybe. Well, at least it looks like it's back. That was weird. Anyways. Yeah, that went quick. He has to keep rising now. Come on. Don't stop there. Keep going. Are you being hacked by subscribers? I have absolutely no idea. It just kind of went down from 16,000 to 16. No, to 61, and then it just went back. I have no clue. That was very weird. Oh well. It's it's fine. We're just gonna continue like normal. Does this low-key look like an M formation? I'm very bad with the M and W formations, but does this not look like an M formation that's forming right now? Hey, Sandy Andy, what's up? Same thing when we get to top of the range, that'll be the manipulation to go short. Oh, so J-Ray kind of like I said. Huh. So you've been trading for a year now. How long have you studied ICT? So ICT, I just took some concepts. Like the first presented fair value gap. I mean, just fair value gaps in general, order blocks. Obviously I don't use the fib. I use my own little GAN box. So I just took concepts. So it's not like I exclusively trade ICT. And also, what's my strategy? So the strategy that I used was this GAN box over here. So it was basically market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. So essentially bottom of the range to top of this range. That's how you draw the GAN box. You want a 50% retracement and then continuation, with at least 3 or more confluences for it to be an A+ setup. But recently, like I said, it just hasn't been respecting how the charts should be respecting the respected areas. There's just no more respect out here. Rude. Seems like you deserve it, but what's a few thousand extra cents? Hey, Cyclops Teeth, what's up? Oh, my squiggly lines on my favorite show. Looks like double top. Jose, I kind of agree with you, actually. Which means this definitely would not be working out. A whiff. You know what the problem is? So Perry barks at either people or the pool. For some reason, you know that chlorine thing that's in a pool? For some reason, he hates it. So he's barking now, but I think he's barking at the chlorine thing in the pool. Cyclops Teeth, are you not a trader? What are those 3 confluences? Oh, so the 3 the confluences I would use would be VWAP, fair value gap, order block, shelves. I call them shelves. I'm pretty sure there's like a better word, but I guess it's kind of like pivot points, but I call them shelves. Like this here would be a shelf and you can kind of see it respected it. Here and here, I call it a shelf. On a higher time frame, it would be a little bit more level. Yeah. Wait. A volume imbalance as well, where it tends to reject off of it. And I have been using 50% of the bob levels recently as well, as a bit of a confluence. That has nothing to do with ICT or SMC though. That's a little bit of some secret sauce that's going on there. Hey Layman, what's up? How you doing? He's barking, it's a human! Vasu, how many stop losses will you take per day? I have a rule of 3 losses done. Given is just stop loss. Oh, nice. Well, Earth, but don't, like I said, don't worry. I'm not in this trade. I'm kind of. This retraces 50% and drops. This is an M formation. No. Bear traps is what I'm looking to form. So far we got one. I want to see another and it starts to rotate back up. If not, we're going for a 1 out of 4 hour candle low from yesterday's session. Okay. Hey, grab Yosh. I'm from South Africa. What's up? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, that did not work out. Maybe with riding volume on sport. It's looking promising but breaks the neckline. If breakout, then I'll hit stop loss. If being, well, again, I'm not actually in this trade, people. Forward testing that, having a look at this. Interesting. Aww. Hey, who's Esme? Vasu, do I only trade NQ? Yes, for now. When I started, I said I want to get good at one asset before I started jumping around. So that's what I do. That's what I try and do. If we now break out, then TP for sure. Again, if I was in on this trade, which I'm not. But it kind of just looks like we're going sideways right now. We took Asia low, next one liquidity would be Asia high. Ooh, actually J-Ray, that's... Wait. Yeah, no, that's valid. It is what it did yesterday. Hello, Dominique from Mr. Robot. How's you? Hello. Hey, girl, what's up? Thank you, bye. 24321 TP. I'm not in a trade yet, guys, just before anyone gets excited. I'm kind of hands off right now. I need to wait for some proper stuff. Because even if it starts messing around like this, I could get screwed and my funded could get blown, so... Yeah. Aww, IDC Films, you're such a sweetie pie. Thank you for dropping by. You're amazing. What's happening with Bitcoin? No idea. Who trades Bitcoin? What's happening? How does it look? Is it amazing? Does it suck? Debbie, what's happening with Bitcoin? Okay. I'm taking trades at previous day high low. Interesting. Are you saying I'm gonna be liquidity? Have fun and don't forget to enjoy trading. Aww. Aww, you're so sweet. And it's true, actually. Should be having fun while doing this. To be fair, I always have fun, but that's also because you guys are here and you know, you guys are very funny. So you guys are very entertaining. So we have fun together. So let's see if these would have worked. I thought I heard a noise. They low-key kind of look like they are working now, which is redonkulous, but whatever. Bitcoin is doing great in these economic conditions. Are you serious? Has it started rising again? What's my opinion about meme coins? Sorry, I don't really have one. I haven't done any research on it. So I don't have much of an opinion when it comes to meme coins, to be fair. If you're not having fun, you're not a trader. Eee! Still ranging in the same area. If it wasn't for that long ass wig, I'd still be in this. No ways, Louis. I'm so sorry. That is so rude. That is that right there. That.
Emotional damage.
That is what that is. That is just disrespectful to a next level. I can't decide why these things are so low. Maybe not start messing with them. I clicked something. Hey, Anaconda, what's up? Wait, before I go, do you allow links in YouTube chat? I want to share a screenshot. IDC for... Oh, are you on the Discord? Because you can definitely send it there. Unfortunately, yeah, it doesn't really work on this chat. Bitcoin hits 71k. Nice! Chance for NQ to go to 321. 321 blast off. Definitely possible. Like I said, if I was in this Bob trade, this would have been my TP. I mean, 3. Are you basically headed for VWAP? Is that the goal here? 24300 is where bears are trying to hold. I think they're cooked. I was down 49 up. Damn! Guys, also, it's Mike the Goat. Mike! Why are you IP banned from Discord? IDC Films, what did you do? Hi, do you share signals for trades? No, and you should not be here if you are looking for signal. Anyways, Real, what's up? I'm not emotionally damaged. I'm more wondering what caused the fat wick and the immediate absorption. Bottom of that wick is where I'll take a buy if we get swept again. Possibly is big. Yes, on the verge of greatness. I love it. I think now it's creating trend. I low-key want to say it's creating a mojo jojo. But that feels a little bit like a lie. Maybe it's not. This just feels like we're going sideways. Oh, so slowly sideways. Is there news or something happening today or later? I checked the news thing there. Nothing important popped up, so I'm assuming not. Because if there was news, I'd be like, oh, this makes sense. But, alas. You are friendly, that's a good thing. Oh, thank you, I appreciate that. I try to be friendly. Listen, sometimes I can be sassy. Sometimes the South African just comes out. I don't mean to. It just happens, okay? I try to be as nice as possible, but it's hard sometimes. It's just an auto-responder, but just goes, oh, so sensitive. The trend is sideways, exactly. Where's the market going? Up or down? Sideways. Oh, so slowly as well. We're in accumulation, yep. Someone was already building a position down there. I seen 3,000 contracts bought. Oh my gosh. Not even 30,000 contracts. Signal Stevens are back, I know. Gosh. Gosh darn, people. Long trade at current price, stop loss below the swing and aiming for daily 50%. Okay. Thanks, Sandy Andy. Sandy Andy, how you been? How's it going? How goes it? Yay! Winning! David's back and alive. Made it through the storm in one piece. Woohoo! 5,000 tick chart, every bar is doesn't last really quick. Oh damn, Shop, that's rough. Michael, liquidity. Do you think, Michael, you wanted to take out the sell side liquidity? Very hot yet. Oh, not here for a change. It's quite nice. It's actually very pleasant. It's overcast, but not too cold and not dying of heat. I'm really happy today. Oh, no way! Sandy Andy? Sandy Andy, you get a whoop whoop. That is amazing. Well done. Whoop whoop. First ever, wait, first ever payout? I am so proud. That is awesome. One day I'll be as cool as you and I'll get my first ever payout. Not there yet, but one day. Gotta make it through an eval first though, but that's okay. One step at a time, one step at a time. Josh, good morning from beautiful KZN. I agree, today KZN is beautiful because we're not dying from heat today. Just had internet out but got it back. Oh no, Hammer, what happened? Having 3 reflections. Once you detach them, I don't know anything about fishing, to be fair. I have caught a 21k voodoo or catfish, whatever you want to call it, before. That was pretty cool. I struggled to hold it up. I have a picture of me like dying holding the damn catfish. Did I know what I was doing? Nope. But I caught it, so that's fun. Have I ever traded personal funds? No. Veda, I'm assuming you do, right? One trade at a time. Exactly, Trader Danger. It's not one good trade at a time. I really like Veda. Was it you that said no? Yes. Yeah, the whole thing of when you get a funded, you're no longer looking for good entries. You're now just looking to not lose. And that, I don't know, that hit something. That hit something. I really, really like that. I need to shift that. That's awesome. It's too risky to trade now to break this accumulation. Oh, thank you, Happy Child. I do agree. Open is the new third planet from the sun because it's too hot. I agree, Josh. It's actually a bunch of BS. Oh my gosh. Especially with my poor horse that now can't sweat. He can't handle it. I love him, but seriously. I started trading options. Futures is the way to go. Oh, interesting. $1 today. No more cents. Okay, 40 cents is not enough anymore. Okay, so you want $1 today. How you trade? Isn't $1 like super easy? I'm very confused. How does your whole setup look? I know you've sent. I'm gonna have to have a quick look. Partial closing position is good or not. You do know I'm not in this trade, right, guys? Just before everyone gets excited. I'm not in this. I'm hands off. Oh, it's all a joke from the one day you made 40 cents. Oh, okay, got it. You know what? The other day I made $4. Okay. I mean, I lost more, but the point is... I made back $4. Winning! Oh my gosh. But no one likes you. Okay. Options changed my life, but now I can't look away from these future markets. Day trading futures. Yeah, for the win. Hey David, what's up? And I need to move my TP. Is anyone not too poor? Lance, oh. Oh, it's mean.
Emotional damage.
Is anyone not too poor? That was hardcore, Lance. You have a point. Still mean. I need to stop sitting like a gamer. I'm like locked in and I'm like, oh, why does my back hurt? Because you're sitting like a shrimp. Okay, we've potentially got movement. Maybe. Hi. Hey, Ace Ventura, what's up? The close position partial, is it good or not? So Vassi, what I normally would do was, so let's say this is my normal trade setup, right? It would look like this. So ironically, this is working out, but it was not an A+ setup at all. It is what it is. I would have a partial at the 1, and when it hit the 1, I would then move my stop loss to break even. So then it works. And then if it reaches full TP, awesome. Seriously, now you're gonna work out. You little brat. Bonjour, T-Dot, what's up? Every time you remind us I'm not in this trade, it gives me the same energy as the fruit guy's chat asking if he's ever tried a fruit. And you can just hear his sanity slowly logging out. Oh. Guys, one day. No, I can't do it. I'll feel too bad. I don't think a lot of people will be impressed. One day I just need to do an unhinged video. Like, Maya let loose. And anyone that comes with dumb comments, I'm just gonna be like, but that's mean. Let's not do that. It's unnecessary because a lot of people are new. They don't know what's happening. So to be mean is mean. I'm gonna take a small account like $10 and full port it every time I read full port in the chat. Please do that. Hammer, that'll be well. I mean, either it's going to work amazing, or you're gonna get real screwed real quick. Let's go, London! Just some movement would be nice right now. All the price, no action. It's like all dressed up and nowhere to go. BWAP CP. Mean Maya Eric would be. Of course you would say that, Wade. Of course you would say that. I love it. Oh, thanks, J-Ray. Let me go check it out. Oh, Lance, you're a sweetie pie. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. What are these charts? It's Sandy, Andy. Do you know what? It's what's it called? The heart rate. That's gonna drive me crazy. Okay, I'll be right back. Having to work around your dog is a pain in the butt. Boop, 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 boop. What, Michael? What's happening? What's Michael saying? Who knows what Michael's saying? Can anyone help? What's happening? Market's low. Oh, let's get a 5-second chart with. Ooh, I'm so sorry! I'm sorry, that moved my shade. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm such a bad person. Okay, anyways. Moving on. Oh, you said price gonna dip hard. Okay. Wait, I think red is your color. Thank you! To be fair, my metric dance dress was red. Looking back, was not well made, but it's fine. This drop is going to be beautiful. I'm waiting for it, guys. I'm waiting for it. Do you think it's gonna spike first before dropping, though? myself here in this sunlight over there. Self-force. Okay, well, Michael, I got that one. Self-force. It sounds like, I don't even know. J-Ray. This looks chaotic. My head hurts looking at this. I know for you it's probably not that bad, but I'm just like, what the heck? Sorry, I just quickly, hey, why? When I do not take the freaking trade because it's not A+, it works like that. Are you freaking kidding me? Okay. That ironically would have been TP, but not an A+ setup at all. I swear, every time I'm like, it's not A+, I shouldn't take it, I must just start taking them. And every time I'm like, it's A+, I must not touch it. I must just leave it alone. That's low-key what the market conditions have been doing recently. But I'm like, I really like this. It does not work out at all. I need to just start fading myself. I had to wear a pink waistcoat in my matric dance. That is amazing. Sandy, Andy, me and you both. Hey, spirit time. Good morning, what's up? How was the rest of trading, or were you done after your trade yesterday? Where's Microwave? Where's LG Microwave? That's amazing. Alright, I'm in profit again. Nice. Like the 5 minute for 3 candle reversal entries. Gotta have multiple entry strategies. Hey, Ozzy K. Oh, Ozzy. I don't know why I called you Ozzy. What's up, Oz? I'm gonna call you Oz. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I'm trading my last nerve. No, I'm kidding. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How you doing? Micros to be specific. I'm just gonna say do the opposite of what you're gonna do for Day Plus here. No, I know, Lance, but that's the typical thing, right? I can almost guarantee if I did ever fade myself, it would work out beautifully in the direction I would have originally wanted it to go. Psychology, man. So irritating. Preach for that. Hold it, still trying to get the stream going. Oh, nice, man. Working, meh. Waiting and watching should never be regretful. Ooh, disciplined trader. I love it. Is it because you're so disciplined? Patience pays, right? Patience. That's the way to look at it. Doesn't make it a whole lot easier. Michael, have you been able to speak English the whole time, or did you do like a converted thing? Oh, thanks, Oz. I lost 2 trades in Asian session. If this long trade gives 1 to 3, it will give 1 to 1. No TP at 50%. So now I'm trading my stop in profit with 50 100 tick. May I have a question? Do you know how Nvidia is doing? I do not. Who is looking at Nvidia? How does it look? So it took a minute to go up, but it hit the London time cluster, so this could drop hard. Well, here we go. That's just how it always feels. Let your strategy work out over time. At least you find the funded account. Previous data rejection. I feel like previous day low rejection was like a while ago, wasn't it? Just me? Sorry, I have hiccups. Counter the counter trade, then counter that. Yes. I'm out in profits. Think I'm done for the night. Hey, J-Ray, well, whoop whoop. Anyone that's in profits. Seriously, well done, guys. Seriously, seriously, well done. Whoop whoop for anyone that is in green. You know, share the love, people. Rude. Just kidding, just kidding. But let's get the shenanigans going. The same scenario already happened multiple times. It always surged down hard. So what Michael's saying, maybe not there. Not there either. Low-key like that, now that it's broken, it's gonna just drop solidly. And Nvidia is 177-ish, could be doing better, but could also be doing much worse. 250 by some of them, in my opinion. Hey! No, I have not lost the account yet, but I haven't taken a trade. I mean, this price action is just... So... yeah. Don't have to take a trade every day, right, guys? I need to just keep reminding myself that I don't have to take a trade every day. I would like a little bit more momentum so that it was quicker go, 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 go trades. But anyways. Shady fire! Anyone in profits, share the profits. Exactly. Exactly. See, it's not just me. Why newbies celebrate too early? What do you mean? Did anyone take that short? I was calling that London for better short opportunity. Wait, what time is it? Oh, I did not even clock that London Open happened already. Bruh. I mean, time is flying by. That's not a bad thing, but good grief, it's going oh so slowly sideways. I'm in the short. Took me out once, got back in. Ooh, nice. Damn. So this actually would have hit TP, which is wild. This would not have worked out. Just gonna leave that up there, actually. Okay, about to tap back into the new weekly opening gap. So does everyone still think that New York low is the target? Can you lower risk and give yourself 2 more chances instead of 1? Theoretically, I have been lowering risk. I've been like 1 contract in the whole time. But I could give myself 2 chances, yeah? Theoretically, I should try and get in when there's breakouts like this. Try and get in and then close. Like there, where it tapped in there, close there in the short. I don't know if I'm quite brave enough to do that yet. Like you literally just mark it in. When you see there's a hectic drop, mark it in. Close it as soon as it's not dropping anymore. But you have to be so quick to get in on those drops, and you have to be very sure that it's going to keep dropping down. David, your full port trade is that. Hammer, I can't stop you being serious. Are you actually doing that? Indeed, I don't trade Fridays. It's a market state being searching. But it's not Fridays. Oh, someone asked about Lucid. No, I do not have Lucid, sorry. Trading else is time for me. Sometimes 10 minutes feels like hours, then hours end up feeling quick. Lance, that happened the other day. I was going and then I looked at the time and I was like, what? And then the other day, I swear, it felt like every single minute was taking an hour. I was like, what is happening? Anyways, that's just me. Probably mind was like, I see the big wig, I should go long. Are you talking about this? No. Yes and no. It's to do with the bob to bob strategy. So there's a legit strategy to it, which is why I was thinking that. Tomorrow is full port Friday. I think I might close my position now. Okay, I bought again. Weekly low, we'll take that entry. No ways. So where do you get a $10 account from, Emma? Plus 3 trades done for the day. Oh, sorry, Vasu, but that's okay. At least you know now. You're done for the day. Call it. The markets do that. They're either putting everyone to sleep or ripping faces off. Oh gosh. The best is when it's about to put you to sleep and then it does this and you're like, oh my gosh. Like you're waking up from falling. You can never be sure. No, just trust your setup. It's in your favor. I breakout trade. I have a strategy specifically for breakouts. Hey Alan, not a stock. This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? I have a few accounts and I have 10 in this one account. UK is a trash or something. Damn, Eric, why do you feel so strongly about that? Anyways. You see that drop? I'm sure that every return trader was tricked to fill up the fair value gap to carry on falling. Yep. Ah, it's a pity this was not further down. How's it look on the 15-minute? Doji, 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 whoop! So literally what this market's doing. Okay, I wonder if it's gonna come back and retest all of these further up. Possibly. I mean, here's midnight, here's daily open, Asia high. Maybe one last liquidity sweep before it does that? Someone mentioned something, and I actually think it's a really good point. The problem with this strategy, I mean, it used to work amazing because, you know, trend was friend and it used to have the nice pullbacks and continuation. The problem is now it feels like it just accumulates and then freaking leaves without retracing, which obviously does not help for this strategy. Which is a pity. And in accumulation where you can get wicked out all too easily, it's not ideal. But it has, it's just been accumulation then breakout and then doesn't retest. Well, definitely not to where I want it to retest at least. You know, not like it cares what I think or what I want. What the hell, party? Getting more cheek codes for the day. Right, flip without change, deliver confirmation. Shadyfied sideways. Okay, good for you. Sorry, coffee and cocaine show. The easiest way to judge the economy? What? Anyways. The money shows Flapped. Bouncing back to 24180. I just don't think it's going to head to this New York low at 130. Bit of a rejection there. These are two different to trade a bear market then the instruments generally bullish. Right, partial and covered loss. Now I can do something else. Nice! There we go, spirit time. Sweep up the sweep. Let's see it buy up now. Did I enter Terrence? No, I did not enter. Smooth running phase becomes the step. Shady fight, that's why I have been testing the Bob's Bob level. Because that one is low-key a bit more of a breakout strategy. And it works in the chop. Let's call it the chop. Like here it wouldn't have worked, that's fine. Maybe if you saw it peak there you would have maybe called it, you know. It's a bit of a tricky one, but it's literally why I've been forward testing another strategy, because mine is just not working with the current market conditions. It used to be when market conditions were obviously market conditions. Am I speaking weird? Anyways, obviously it used to work out fine, just is not really right now, and that's okay. We just move on to the next. Stretch the GAN box from the bottom. It is at the bottom. What do you mean? Oh, okay, spirit time. Good luck. If you need more help, let me know. Did you figure everything out, or do you want me to send more screenshots? Just let me know. Full port trade is up 15%. What the heck, man? Andrew, what? New strategy. But we ball. I have to get in swing position so I can go to sleep and wake up to 400 points in profit. J-Ray, that's the dream. I tried a scalping strategy. I mean, theoretically, all of these are scalping strategies. What's your definition of scalping, Jose? That's cool. Having multiple entry marks for different market phases different from strategy hopping, so don't feel guilty. Thanks. Shady Fight, I do low-key feel a bit guilty, but I mean, the markets aren't going to adapt to what I want it to do. So make a plan, right? And that's exactly what I've been trying to do. It's just, yeah, obviously it's not fun forward testing a strategy on a funded, because obviously you're going to make mistakes, which is what happened yesterday. I did make some mistakes. I hesitated in taking like the great ones, and then the meh ones I took and I placed the stop loss at the incorrect spot. But you know, that's just gonna happen while you're figuring out a new way of trading. So I can't exactly beat myself up about that. Does it suck? Yes, maybe I should have known better, but you know, hindsight is so easy. In the moment, not so much. Scalping is like measured by pips. Hi Live! What's up? How are you doing? Yes, you are a scalper, just not an aggressive one. There we go. That's the thing, right? I guess, there we go. I guess that's one way of looking at it. Either you're an aggressive scalper or not. I think the aggressive ones are like in and out within seconds, going boop, 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 boop. Like Lavender, who apparently takes freaking, how many did she say? 50 to 100 trades a day. That's insane. Shady should have done it on demo when you're not trading live. The problem is you need the specific times of when I am live. That's a bit of a tricky one. I slept too much. It's not bad though. You didn't bother me, Michael. Don't you worry. With forward testing, there's no losses, only lessons. I like it, Vincent. I like it a lot. But Mike, that's exactly the issue I've been having. Like I said, either it's been consolidating, in which case it's wicking out, so what would have been an A+ setup just isn't working just because it's consolidating and being a little bit crazy, or it's breaking out and not retracing. And if it does retrace, it tends to actually then just take out the stop loss. Shoot. I'll forward test this again. Problem is, this might not be ideal. So this would be the Bob's Bob. Gotten the confirmations from the rejections happening at the 50%. If it breaks, it has to break solidly. Do I attempt this for a 1-to-1? And if it goes, just get out before it reverses? Could maybe do that. $400 trades a day is insane, right? Right. We plan on adjusting on ratio throughout week and adjusting on a need-to-be basis and conditions of the market. Sandy Andy, yeah, I always stream New York Open. Why? Like I said, the only problem is the strategy that got me the funded is just not working out anymore. The market conditions are just not right. They are just not right. For example, this here, I did actually look at it, would have been an A+ setup. I did map it out. As you can see then, it would have gone straight up to hit stop loss. It eventually went back down, but because it's so wiki and all over the place, wiki, it, yeah. Keep backtesting and journaling. Yeah, how's the market so far? I got free today. Nice! A free day for you today. Yeah, the market for me. What I found before testing is that if you don't take every opportunity that presents, then you end up messing the stats up and you blow the account far easier. Explain? Live sound? Go below the value area low on the last 3-day session bottom profile. Okay, Jerry, what does that tell you? That it's going to start picking up? What's your RR? With the strategy that I had to get me the funded, it was a 1 to 2R. Hey, Cam Bam! We're still here. Barely, but we're still here. I mean, it could fake off for liquidity, but it's forming a bearish. It is very high volume. If it breaks, that'll shoot to the next high volume node at 429. Interesting. Full port is flying. I cannot believe it, Hammer. I actually can't believe it. I have a headache, so I haven't got out of bed yet. Oh, Mikrowabe, are you sick again? Weren't you sick the other day? Are you eating something weird? What's going on? So if you aren't taking every opportunity that presents, then you end up with, as you did yesterday, not taking winning trades to make up for the losing ones. With the forward testing. I agree. You know, in all honesty, it will be a lot easier if/when I get... No, that's negative. That's me being a negative Nancy. We've still got this. If/when. New email. It's considered discount the further below value. If you're a bull, you want to buy so many ways to look at the market. Oh, I see. Okay, that makes sense. Which makes it feel special when you're on a live account rather than a paper. That's exactly it, right? That is literally what's happening. If I go back and I'll show you the ones I took versus the ones that I could have taken. All the ones I could have taken were actually amazing. And all the ones I did not take were obviously the ones that were Mikuaba, that makes sense. See, this would be a potential setup here. I don't know, do I give it a try? Yep. Oh, I got a message. Oh, Hammer? Is this the full portrait? I'm gonna open it, guys. This is Hammer's full portrait. What the heck? On oil? Bruh. This is insane. Okay, then. Are you gonna start taking partials, or what's the plan here, Hammer? This is Hammer's trade, by the way. His full port trade. He full ported a $10 account. Take this eval as a learning. Well, Jose, I'm not on an eval. I'm still on my funded. Oh. Checking the version. Ah, fair. Okay, screw it. Let's try this. Maybe it's a mistake, but it is what it is. We're taking just one. How much is the one? $80. It could instantaneously reverse. See on the 5 minute. So the problem I'm having here, okay guys, hear me out. The problem I'm having here, and I would love your opinions right now, is that the trade or the strategy I used to get this funded is actually saying entry at 0.5 for a short. However, the one I've been forward testing is saying here is your opportunity to go long all the way back up. Do you see where the headache comes in? They are basically contradicting one another right now. Which then makes me get a little bit in my head. Yeah, it's okay, Jose. I think you should have a new eval going so you don't have to trade the funded account in all these conditions. Yeah, Lance, at this point, it's going to be there soon. Wait for it to take liquidity, then it'll change your character and break structure of your full body. If the break of structure is only a wick, don't take it. It has to leave you a fair value gap plus previous liquidity. Michael, the problem with that is... Oh, sorry. I think I'm speaking too fast right now. The problem with that is recently, there has not really been tons of fair value gaps, and the ones that there are have not been respected as nicely as you would want to see them. I mean, like, for example... This fair value gap, completely disrespected. These ones, disrespected. This one, disrespected. This one, disrespected. You can almost guarantee that the freaking fair value gaps are going to be disrespected right now. And Sandy, I feel like you're fighting the trend. True, not with this one though. This is my normal strategy right here. My 1 to 2R. Do you see how they are literally contradicting right now? I know the platform I use for backtesting doesn't have a bob indicator, which is annoying. Life Sound, you can actually just draw out the bob ones. Price action, maybe. If prices on 20 all time frame just crossed under 20 and 30. Where in the world am I looking for longs right now? Oh, interesting, Hunter Guy. Okay. So this is basically going completely against all the trends. So this one is not ideal. Makes sense. But is it going to retrace high enough back up to get you? We are stuck in this range. I'm leaving this up out of curiosity's sake. Keep breaking below. Okay. Sorry, can you see the cogs are turning a lot today? It's not a bad thing. Learning a lot. Even though no trades are being taken right now, but still learning a lot. That's what's important. That's unfair. I don't know enough about the bob, to be honest. No, but Lifetime, you are correct. You should actually be going with the trend as well. Like, these decent rejections are pointing towards bob to bob going down. Do you see how it didn't retrace back up high enough? For that. This, however, could be a bob to bob going now to the sell side. Whoa, periwinkle. Set up for shorts. $100. Take the long idea showing the push up coming on the 5 minute. Okay, do you also see now? There's a bunch of different indicators and they're all saying different things. Actually, let me see what he was barking at. Give me a second. Support and resistance, wait for 3 touches, and maybe take a short. That's... okay. There we go. Never mind, Perry just wanted to bark at nothing. Oh! Really, Atlanta? I am trading MNQ. Keeps taking me out. At least I'm in profit every time. You still short, Louis? 1 to 2 are right there. Not hating that. Consolidating before a pop. 2-cent trading, but you believe the pop's going up, right? No, I got out the short and tried 2 buys and got taken out in profit, but I was at least 20 and 30. Nice! It's like this on the 5 minutes, struggling to break. Hmm. Two, 4, 1, 8. That's very interesting. Sorry, I'm aware this looks like chaos right now, guys. Sully, $100. Also, how you doing, Sully? What's up? Good motto, good motto.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What's up, Sully? How you doing? How's it going? Interest short above. Woo! This mother bluffer just consolidating right now. Literally. The problem is this still looks good. Hey Timothy, what's up? Sorry, how many trades are you gonna split it up? Who knows? Part of me wants to take this, another part of me is like, I don't know if I should maybe be waiting for New York where it's quicker. What can't you see? This is the face of being unimpressed. Hey, Mithu, what's up? Of course, this one freaking worked out. Okay, pointers, no pullback, cool. That didn't break above. Now this is breaking below. No, this is what I did yesterday. This is actually what I did yesterday. Okay, let me... Let's not rush into things. Henry, I just admire your patience, bruh. I sometimes hate my patience, but anyway. She sounds British, Irish, South African. Irish? I sound Irish? That's kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. I low-key love... I've never been there. I always have wanted to go to Ireland. Yeah. What's the opposite of posh accent? Redneck? That sounds rude. You stretch the unbox down to the low where you had it. So you're saying if I did this? So this is where it was. As you can see, not even freaking close. And if I move it there... Yeah. Mike, is that what you were thinking? Oh, her Edenvale accent. I'm not from Edenvale, Hammer. Maya coming from Edenvale. That's mean. See, I had my hopes and dreams there, and now you smushed them. How rude, Debbie. Life sounds so close to passing a funded, it's killing me. Bro, I have the opposite issue right there. Like, literally, right now,
Emotional damage.
Anyways, let's try English again. I have the opposite issue. I'm currently reading how to day trade for a living. Oh, and is it good? Cash me outside. How about that? It's the opposite of posh. Oh my gosh. Okay, you see how that 0.5 line is with that? Yeah. So you think it might... To be fair, it's what I was looking at here. Top to bottom, fair value gap, shelf, a little bit of an order block. You can see it would have actually wicked in quite nicely. That was a good rejection off of there. Shoot, this is gonna work out. Like I said, unfortunately, this is literally what I did yesterday, and it screwed me. Seriously. Okay, anyways, patience. Breathe, just breathe. It's fine. Where do you get your accent? Because you have some Joburg in there. Well, I mean, I'm from Pretoria, actually. Sorry, wasn't a dig note over. It was an easy read and cheap grade introduction without being overwhelming. Interesting. Still down. It's a long sell. I'm in. No, Johnson Kaboom. I trade both London and New York. Mr. Dating weekly reaction. Bum dear, what's up? Be very careful with the trap. Patience. Na, 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 na. Kept hesitating on short and missed my entry. That's okay. Foo-foo. It's okay. Johnson Kaboom. Thank you, Solly. Solly, how you been? It's curling around hard. The floor on MNQ. We still have opportunities. Have I watched the show Ghost? You mean the movie? Is there a show called Ghost? Watch the movie Ghost. This feels very similar to what it did yesterday. Got very close to a point of interest and then kind of reversed and then dropped down solidly. Do we think it could be doing that again today? Well, there's your pop at 24166 for the 20 points. Ghost in the Darkness, great movie. Character that says patience, patience. It's a UK show turned into an American. Oh no, I've not heard of that. 2-cent trading. Oh. Yeah, well, sorry about that, Solly. Wish I could help. Sorry. Is there anything we could do to help? Maybe that's a better question. In this liquidation, there's a trap. Be very careful. Okay, Michael. Looking up the opposite of your posh accent. It's called from the States, so that isn't common knowledge. Just say, interesting, okay. Can you do a playlist about your trading strategy? Nearly. Ought to be right now, not a great idea. Okay. Deep breaths, deep breaths. No frustrations allowed. Devin, fake what? May want to fill that little gap at the bottom after this retracement. Food is the only help needed. I agree. I go short. Be careful with short. Dom, I'm confused now. What do you mean? Explorer it is just. Still got $100 left on it. Oh no! Is it worse than like a... I don't want to say something because I know I'm going to offend someone. It's going to say like a 4-ways butt accent. I'm interested in sell side. Good grief. I know trader putting on him. My one trade to work. Is it got... No, sorry. It's Nasdaq futures. I know, Explorer. $100. Bless me. Sorry. Just there. No, no. Okay. And it. Next fund account will replenish all the losses. Oh, thank you. I mean, I'm waiting for a nice movement. Oh, I thought you were in this already, Dom. I'm confused. Imagine. Okay, I got it. Thank you, J-Ray. I mean, I'm waiting for nothing worse than... It's comprehend. In all honesty, right now, the volume just isn't enough. Like I said, this trade actually would have worked out. Maybe I should have taken it, but... You know, hindsight, it's easy. Could have also very quickly wicked up further than I would have wanted it to. Really, Atlanta? Yeah, thank you. Sorry. I have hiccups. I'm never a big fan of funded accounts because of all the rules. Explorer, it depends on the funded, hey? Like I said, the Tradeify Select, it's a bit more expensive, but there's a lot of perks. I don't think it makes sense for me to get it yet because I will not be able to pass the eval in 3 days. So if I'm gonna have to pay that amount per month, it's gonna be dumb. There's no point in me doing that. But if you think you can pass an eval in 3 days, because the eval has a 40% consistency rule. Yeah, 40% consistency rule. But if you think you can pass that eval within 3 days, then you can get daily freaking payouts. You can get daily payouts, no consistency rule on the funded. I don't think you can copy trade though. the only thing. I don't think you can copy trade. Oh, and you only need $2,500 to pass the eval. Like I said, there's consistency with the eval, but there's no activation fee, and there's no consistency on the funded, which is pretty damn cool. Like I said, if I was so confident that I would pass that thing in the 3 days with the consistency, I would probably get that. I think the Afrikaans one is right up there with the really bad ones. I mean, yeah. Like, the people that say Afrikaans accents are sexy, I judge them. Sorry. I know that's mean, but and is not exactly the most attractive thing in the world. That being said, yeah. I'm just well looking. Move up. What's an eval? Yeah, sorry, talking about prop firms here, Atlanta. Sorry about that. Afrikaans accent. Okay, hoekom sal jy hierdie doen? But then there's, so you basically roll your R's like and the G's are I'm trying to think what else. How about anything? My accent, people from the States will love it. I'm sorry. Oh, thank you. Oh, McWave, of course he does. Long looks on both ends of the hourly. That's about to close. Just guys, this just so McWave, are you actually looking at the charts right now or not really? Yeah, my nose is so itchy. Sorry. Ugh. In the States, Afrikaans studies. What? Are you serious? Why? Isn't it low-key a dying language? I heard it was a dying language. I'm just sorting out my levels. Nice, okay. Last time is change character. So that did not work out. Yeah. Oh, it's made a W formation on ES. Looks like on the 15. Okay, from top down is not bad. It's just if it wants to retest a little bit further up. Okay, well here's the new hourly. I mean, the hourly candle's not the best, like you said. Basically top and bottom wick are same, but did close bearish, so that's something. Interesting, John. That's true. Favorite, yeah. Did you see Osman Park's South African accent? I did not, Heather. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. Do 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 do. We will remember. I'd still be in this trade. Eh, cool. I'll be the one. Do 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 do. This is not gonna be stuck in my head. Not even close. Hot day. Down to that New York low, potentially now. No way, Sandy. Andy, are you serious? Where did you get in? It took me out again. Another 20 months. And Garav, you are now long. Tapped into that volume imbalance. I would not be looking for longs now. Why are you in a long, Garav? I got on a top for a scalp now. Nice! It could double bottom here. Well, would you look at that? Another B setup. Hey, Yanni, what's up? Welcome, welcome. Yep, don't go long, just got stopped out, was bad. Yeah. Hey, movie geek, whoop whoop, movie geek. What did I just say? But that is amazing. Seriously, whoop whoop. I just locked my account until tomorrow. That's nice. Hey, what's up? Need a pin comment saying that this is MNQ and a brief of your strategy. Something people ask each night. Ironically, the bob to bob is still working out. Just saying. That just didn't come up to tap there. Oh, this actually could be a double bottom. Look at that wick. Create an SMT on ES. Do more work for free. What? Huh? Really, Atlanta? What do you mean? What? Huh? What? Huh? Really, Atlanta? What do you mean? Just join. What market am I trading? What's up? This is the Nasdaq futures. Micros, to be specific. We still short. Waiting for my next full port trade on the... How about did it hit TP? I was like, what did I do? Instantaneous stop loss if I had taken this. This is what my setup would have looked like. Just FYI. Like I said, it was a B setup, which is why I did not take it, but bloody hell, man. That felt unnecessary, but whatever. We do and do not have volume right now, which is kind of weird. Oh, this was the 5 a.m. open. Huh. Interest. thought that he went profit on the last full pot. Wait until New York, Hammer. All I can say is just wait until New York. I can almost guarantee that a bunch of people are going to be like, full pot! So I mean, 310 on a $10 balance, not bad. That's not bad at all. 40-point range barcode. That's amazing. That's so much fun. Well, do you know what time I think it is? Not okay yet. Maybe next time. Have a great day and be safe. Aww. It is what they think you. Time to eat? No. It is. Oh shoot! Wait, I haven't even sorted this out. Woo, my bad. My bad. But I do declare that it's time for butterfly of the day. Butterfly of the day. Ow! I hit my head. Anyways, Mike M, how did you know? Butterfly of the day. Banana backwards for the W, Lance. I don't trade New York session. I'm still, it was not lethal in that session. No, but I'm saying Hammer specifically for the full ports. Because that has nothing to do with, yeah. Okay. Are we ready for butterfly of the day? Let's do this. I must say, yesterday had two bangers. Yesterday was the best butterflies. My favorite is still the little woolly-legged one. It was adorable. Ah, you're low-key boring, but not, okay, you're not bad. Like I said, low-key, but still not bad. Guys, this butterfly's name is a false silver bottom brown. That is literally its name. A false silver bottom brown butterfly. Okay. Oh, please don't let weird things pop up. Let me specifically put your butterfly. Yeah, I guess. Please. Okay, we're okay. Okay, no, it's not that bad. They just put the boring images in this book. It's cute. It's not that bad. I like it. Look, it has a silver bottom and a little orange stripe. I'm gonna call them racing stripes. Okay, so. Wait, butterfly? I can't wait. Oh, you guys are hilarious. Girl session time. I'm out. No, it's not girl session time. How dare you? We just do butterfly of the day here, and I love it. You should low-key leave and find less boring. Lance? Huh? What are you talking about? Make a full port Instagram and post it daily. You should. You should. Okay, so false silver bottom brown. So wingspan of 46 to 48 millimeters. Okay. Distribution, low to high altitude grassland, so Western Cape, Eastern Cape along the Drakensberg foothills into Lesotho, KwaZulu-Natal, Swaziland, and Mpumalanga, and as far north as the Volkbat, which is Limpopo province. Also Free State and Gauteng, so it's everywhere. Habitat is grassy hillsides. Flight period is 2 overlapping broods from September to May, and peak periods varying geographically. Done. Okay. Ooh, the Latin name. Pseudonympha magoides. I butchered that, but we're going to pretend like I said that like a boss and I know how to say the Latin names. Anyways, back to the charts. That is butterfly of the day. Oh, I see nothing has happened. We missed nothing. Do I stream every day? I do. Thank you, Mike. I think I've killed a few of those with my car while driving. That's so rough. I mean, probably. To be fair, I probably have two. Okay, guys, this price action today is actually going to be the death of me. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, whoever thinks you're boring must not smoke. YouTube streamers, 90% of trading streams are crypto bots now from middle. Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you on that one. We have fun here. We have Butterfly of the Day. And then what do you guys think? Fun Fact Friday. Then I'll just do the Fun Fact. Then it's Fun Fact Friday. To be fair, them markets today be boring right now. Like, I low-key want to like play I Spy with you guys. That's where we are at. Playing I Spy right now would have more adrenaline than this. Is this a very slow? No. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. If this breaks above, this could shoot to the moon. Let's see if this does and what it does. I'm curious. I do not actually do trend lines, but sometimes they're not bad for breakouts. What do you share in the Fun Fact Friday? I have a fun fact generator thing and just a fun fact would pop up. What was your initial account balance? 50k! Fun fact too about the pulse brown. Its eggs are laid singly on grass and started out pale yellow, pale green, but within days they develop striking pink or scarlet rings like targets. Damn, I love that. Is Butterfly start? No, Radio Atlanta, you're done. It's just Butterfly of the Day. Discipline trader. Friday is the day of whole week. Week's loss recovery. Yeah. Why didn't the breakfast realize was almost Friday? It crept up on him. Yeah, told that was good. That was good. The stream is a diamond in the rough. I only watched 3-4 trading streams. My favorite one vanished about a month ago. Thanks for your time. Oh, I got you, Lance. Which was your favorite one, out of curiosity? I do not, John. I know I probably should. I was actually really interested in book maps. The only problem is I would want to probably use the Sierra charts. They are so expensive. The Sierra charts are a little bit excessive. My experience says whenever I try to take trends as per the trend... Wait. Let's do English. Whenever I try to take trades as per the trend, it immediately breaks. You're using a prop firm. Yeah, I am underfunded. Not for much longer, but I am underfunded. I'd be short from 196. Short from 196. Oh, wait. Okay, so it's still a little bit of rangy here. Confirmation to head north on this one. What happened? Losing streak this week. Yeah, I had 3 losses yesterday, in all honesty. That's just what happened. Most important thing to avoid on Friday the 3rd. Once he got too busy with his work, we stopped streaming after building a following to make money though. No affiliate codes and no paid subscription. Oh, yeah. To be fair, Lance, maybe... You guys can know. It's not really like the affiliates get you much. Especially because, well, unfortunately, don't have all the awesome ones down here. Which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I got a trade intro idea for you, Maya, that includes bug levels. Okay. When it breaks out, I'd wait for confirmation. What indicators do I use? Not that many. I use the bub levels. That's about it. And VWAP. Arma, what? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Hey, Karth, what? It says we shouldn't take trades with an empty stomach. We shouldn't take trades with an empty stomach. See, maybe that's my problem, guys. I basically forget to eat until dinner time. That's maybe not a good thing, hey? Son, no, I haven't taken a trade.
Nice.
You can pull back faces and add to a big... Aww. 2 cent trading, you're amazing. Thank you. Shout out to 2 cent trading for the dono. You get a specific explosion just for you. Get your payments from drinks off. We're making up a new trade for fun and on 3. Let's see. My chart's clear. Thank you, I think. How old am I? How old do I look? How much more you should be thinking for the trade? Once I'm looking at blue bands, it changed my whole perspective. So you use the bands. I just have the fixed. Is it the fixed one? Where is it? There it is. Yeah, it's fixed. Oh, what's your pair? Hey, dude. Hey, dude. Hey, dude. So I'm actually on MNQ. Obviously nothing. I might have a good night. Oh! Lifesound, you're a sweetie pie. Think, yeah. It's actually MNQ, so the micros. So NQ, yes, but the micros. Oh, cheers, Sandy, Andy, enjoy. You look pretty years old. Ha 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 ha! Gosh.
That's what she said.
That was smooth. Smooth operator. Give me a second, someone's calling. Okay, had to get my document. Share your balance. You can see my balance. It's up there. But if you really want to see my balance, sure thing, chicken wing. Here we go. Was that our noisy four-legged bread pig? Always lifestyle. This is going to be interesting. I hear Great band in tandem with B-Lab looks great in my opinion, gives you a realistic view. This really does look like a triple bottom right now, which is insane. If this breaks above, this could be really, really nice. But is it going to? That is the question. I still have a little bit of time. I promise you, if it does what it did yesterday, guys, honestly, what it's been doing recently is driving me crazy. When I'm on stream, it's meh. Like, the price doesn't really move anywhere. It's a little bit meh. And recently, literally the second I end stream, it starts moving solidly and it drives me crazy. Own methods, Mariano. Let me have it or else. Think bottom bob level. You think it's gonna go all the way back down? Do you know what's funny, right? So the bob to bob. A few points up. This would theoretically be the trade. I would still be in this thing. I'm on the 1 minute right now. The Maya effect. I know, and it's rude. It is really, really rude. Why? Why? Which I think is wild, the fact that I would still be in this, but... I mean, this triple bottom is not looking great. Let's see, there was a bit of a wickless candle. This could start... Imagine you full port your last trade bob to bob. Hammer, right now to full port isn't that difficult. But yeah. Literally someone said, and I'm starting to think maybe it's not the worst idea. When you get some breakouts, just get in it for like 10 points. Like here, broke above the wick. So not quite 10 points, but so you get in and close. Done. So that would have been 7 points. This one, get in at 10 points, so that one would have been 10 points there. I don't know, it feels a little bit risky and a little bit gambly. I don't know if that's just me. Hey Raj, what's up? I said full pot now. I have to place an order. Oh, Hammer, you did that to yourself. Oh my gosh, you did that to yourself. Are you gonna full port shorts or what you gonna full port? It's going to go up starting now. Bet her balance started. Bring it on, really, Atlanta. So you think this is gonna start going up? How big are your stops on my trades at the moment? Mikuwabe, it really depends. There's not like a set... It's not like a fixed tick or anything. Or you're asking like amount. Full put. Which country I belong? I'm from South Africa. What's up? Which country you belong? Sorry. It's the way you asked that. Aww. Oh my goodness. Clear line markets. Good grief. Thank you. Shout out. Just a rough average. Okay. Well, let's just use these, right? 20 to 30 points? Let's say 20. I think 20 points is good. It'll go bullish, I bet that. Oh, damn. Okay, so we got 2 people who are betting this is about to go bullish. I'm gonna let it hit 144 and I'm buying. Okay, let's see if you guys are correct. Let's see if you guys are correct. This will be the last trade for the day if we get there, but then I'm out. Okay, Hava. Heck yeah, fellow South African, I love it. Love it. To be honest, there's no signal for bullish right now until price trends back to that bob level. Are you still using VP, Microwave? Guys, I do know that it's microwave. Okay, I say microwave as a joke. I don't know if you guys have seen that thing. It's like it's not a meme. Is it a meme? It was a Vine. I don't know. But she said microwave, and ever since then, that is just what I call microwaves. I know that it's pronounced microwave. Okay. I say drop. Level bottoms runnable. Bet. Okay, let's do a poll. It's poll time. That sounds weird. But anyways, let's start a poll. And this is like now. Whoa, boy, sure? Sure what? What are we saying sure about? My childhood best friend is South African. That's so cool. It's definitely bullish, but entry now would have been trying to catch a fall. At least my play. So patience would be good. Wait, so just so people know, triple bottoms and tops tend to fail more. Guava, that's interesting. We're in support level, I can't break so fast. So that's bullish.
That's what she said.
I got you, Emma. Yep. Nobody. Whoa. 144 and I'm buying. I don't care if I'm wrong. My risk management's on point. Now is your last time to buy for this run on MNQ. And that's my bear TP here. Yep. If this was bob to bob level, if I'd taken this. Boom. Interesting. All right then. Good grief. Might look into the liquidity gram breakout. Target, yep. Damn, Bob's Bob, nice. I know. Insane. But I find myself using a combo style to help teach myself. Oh, I do not do that. That's interesting. I don't need to start trading for around 4 months. You know anything that's not. With only 8k, I'm 2013 in April. I'm getting. Oh, yeah, you can get a prop room for way less than 8k. What? Oh, shut up, Mikuave. You do not hate it when you're right. You're so full of rubbish. Good grief.
Emotional damage.
Oh, damn. The longs had actually won the poll. Very interesting. Anyways. It's me again. What? Michael, welcome back. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Clearline Markets. I will go and check it out. Okay, here we might now get a rejection back down. Let's see. Failed to break. Went Ollie, that's very interesting about the whole triple bottoms tend to not work out. No, but an account with my own money, not a problem. Oh, okay, then no idea, sorry. Oh, gotta head out, at least it's sunny today. Good luck and bye, Matt. Oh, cheers, Debbie. Enjoy. Probably a good time for it to go back and retest VWAP. I mean, it took out quite a bit of sell-side liquidity now. If it goes up now, I wouldn't be surprised. Like this. These decent rejections off of here. Huh. Bob's a bob, people. Price action storage shows position price. There's a berry again in the kangaroo chair. A little bit. I like the term triple bottom. Good luck, but I got to go back to learning. Keep it up. Oh, thank you. Cheers, cheers. It's still heavy. Maybe more dip before rally. 2.08, 1 minute to go with this. Let's see how it reacts here. If I'm being honest, I most likely am not going to take a trade during London today. If I take a trade, it'll be during New York. So let's see if New York is it. Will I survive or will I die? I don't even know what triple bottom means. Oh, so sweet and simply, do you see how it kind of tapped the same area like 3 times and rejected off of it? Normally a double bottom, it then tends to retrace further up, but the triple bottom, which is now what I'm going to be keeping an eye out for, Mikuwawe, apparently it tends to not be respected as much. Macasio. Oh, cheers, Life Sound. Enjoy. I'll try to give you the trade. With a buy, but wait another 10 points. Yeah, Atlanta, does that kind of make sense? Well, New York low was now officially taken. Would have nearly been a 3-hour freaking trade. Pity. Oh well. Next on survival, might have immunity idle to save her from tribal council. Ah, oh, man. The tribe has spoken. I see it all the time. Oh, interesting. I would say, what are your thoughts on it? But yes, yeah. Oh, okay, that's valid. Launching our platform soon, doing a soft launch. Oh, that's cool. Airline markets, that's awesome. What's the prop firm called? Why don't people buy at the bottom then? So it's just, you know, is it going to be a double? Because normally it's a double bottom. And then this is where the triple bottom kind of came in, and obviously it's apparently the triple bottoms tend to fail, which is interesting. So I'm gonna have to check that out. And support gets weak, but if it breaks out from a triple bottom, I think it would be a stronger confirmation for bull. Mike, explain, please. Why do you think? Yeah, why do you say that? Why is that a stronger confirmation for bulls? No, that's fair, Nikwave. Like, that's I almost want to say standard. The root, nah. I didn't take the trade, but I appreciate the... Yeah, looks like you won. I'll take it. That's okay, Raj. Double... whatever. Isn't your money safe if you aim to buy at the very bottom and it repeats itself? You just have to know how far up. Like, are you thinking about quick scalps? Like 10 points in and out? Is that what you're thinking, Anana? Nope. Just nope. I don't think it buys at the same point over and over. Just go for the next bottom cluster. I can't lie, my head is double in size from that call. Oh, of course it has, Mikwave. Why not buy the and why do people do that? Just okay, Atlanta, you've confused me a little bit. I'm confused about the question. Like, with this, why would people... But then, my question is, where would you aim for? Would you aim for, like, just 10 points? Like a quick scalp in and out? Armal, what's up? If it bounces 2 or 3... And learn it based on what you repeat, always a strategy. And interesting. Now you take it back to VWAP. What now? You think this is going all the way back to VWAP up here? Where's your VWAP? You sound like you have potentially different settings to me. Oh, you would say no, you take it back to VWAP. No, but I mean, then this definitely would have failed. Check. You would not go anywhere near VWAP. Again, where are your VWAP settings? There's another idea you could have entered from that top level of price action structure. Here, this one. Like I said, I mean, theoretically, this one actually would have worked. I just didn't take it. Oh well. It is what it is. Oh, I got you. Like the rejection off of it. What if it didn't reject off of it though? Now 24294. That sounds similar to MCV. I don't want to sleep with my eyes are closing. Aww. Cheers, Michael. Lemon on you. Okay. If you had hit TP, how much would your account be up? Probably would have. Okay. It's for funsies. $135. I mean, better than nothing, but $135 if I'd taken this trade. Shit, if I'd seen it on even risking 50, it maybe wouldn't have mattered that much. Just dropped heavy right now, buying that. I took out Tuesday low. What time is it for me right now? It is 11:42. See how it rejects a return and then rejection again. That could be entry for buy after the second rejection. Do you not think it's a bit quick on the 1 minute? Do you not need a little bit more of a confirmation? Mikurave? More breathing room is always good. No, 100% Louis, you are not wrong. Used full port if you can. Do a backflip. Absolutely not. Ah, well, today's a holiday in India. I didn't know that. What holiday is it? Like, that's just the question, Ollie. Like, on the 1 minute, is that just not too... I mean, it is a freaking solid rejection, though. For me, the best confirmations tend to happen actually on the 5 minute. Do a front flip then. I can do a roly-poly. Does that count? Oh, you're from Romania. Same here. Nice! I think big slow move is fine. Best. You wait for confirmation a lot of the time you miss it, and also it's the 1 minute, so it does move fast. True, I just have to then get the correct confirmations on the 1 minute. I think I've kind of gotten the confirmations with the 5, like I said, this one, technically, the 5 minute was pretty good. Like I said, it would have worked out, just... yeah. $40 micros, if I'm not mistaken, Hammer. What's a roly-poly? You know, like when you're a kid and you just kind of tuck your head in and you flip over? No? Very good. Such a roly-poly is you truly make me feel like a city boy. Like a roly-poly, you know, like... as a kid, you would kind of do it on your bed and you would just kind of like put your head on the floor and just bloop over, except, oh, just thinking about it, my spine hurts. I feel like I'm too old for that. I can do a cartwheel. I've got spare cash. Oh, nice. Exactly. No, nope, no. Atlanta, what? What's no, nope, no? What are we no, nope, knowing right now? Oh, is it called a somersault? Ah, interesting. Thank you, son. You are the first person that's commented on my headphones today. Like a jujitsu shoulder roll. I mean, I've done kickboxing, never jujitsu. If I had taken... well, number one, I think I would have been in Hrut. Because this does have a consistency rule. Yeah, no. This has a consistency rule, so I would have blown this funded. But I've... yeah. Oh my gosh. $5,420. Can you imagine? I mean, 4 contracts would have just been... how many is 3? 3 contracts would have been 406. Yeah. Roly-poly is a dessert in the UK. Really? What type of dessert is it? Oh, yeah. They are. Good question. The one with the dragon on it. I've got the name. Hey Pacey, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Yeah, I literally have a cake. It's a cake called a roly-poly. I'm kind of curious and I kind of want to have it. Veda, I didn't take this trade. I would have gotten like $150 if I did. 130, it doesn't matter. Oh, okay, I got it. Red Dragon, thank you, Hammer. Thank you, thank you. So the rejection off of here's, but how would you would you just mark it in? Mikuave, I think that's the question. Would you just mark it in on this? Is that Forex net? Indices, the Nasdaq futures to be exact. What would you do without me? I don't know. Cry. I have no idea what's going on. No one would be excited about my butterfly of the day, which is mean. To be fair, like I said, yesterday's butterflies of the day were the bomb.com. You missed them, you missed out. I'm calling you out to a challenge. Oh, that's not a good idea. Why? Why would you do that? You calling me out to a challenge? My man, I can't even freaking complete my funded challenge. Now you want a challenge with me? Are you crazy? Okay. This is just for Hammer. Nobody judge. That's just for Hammer. Get your balance to 50k by next Friday or we spam your page for the rest of your life. How are you gonna spam my page though? What are you gonna do? I have not traded Forex firms before. No. I've heard Forex can be a little bit iffy. I'm gonna go with iffy. You're welcome, Hammer. Like I said, there's a few things on around by to see if you like. I have so many different ideas lately. I've been spending a lot of time building different ideas. They're good, but they need tuning. Okay, Ollie. Shoot. Okay, Ollie. Literally, after New York, I'm gonna go for a run. I've been trying to go for a run every day today. It's really hard, but anyways, I'll go for a walk run, and then afterwards, because I'm cooking tonight, let's do it. I'll hop on a call. I might just be on my phone, but I don't think that matters as long as I can see what you're doing. Trump stopped the fight for 5 days, a little bit. If you recovered 400 points and then you're about to the market, blah, blah, blah. Hey, I don't actually use the ICT model. Sorry, I know that probably annoys a lot of people, but I actually don't use an ICT model. I see we've lost some oomph over here. I'm cooking chicken, my easy chicken. How did you know? Yesterday I just got a wacky Wednesday from... Not Steers? Yeah, Steers. Because I'm lazy like that. So ICT is Inner Circle Trader. So he basically just came up with a bunch of concepts and it works really well for some people. Other people, not so much. But, you know, I'm definitely just all for you do what works for you. Gonna play against me on chart champs. You mentioned that to me before. I haven't even checked it out, to be fair, Louis. Sorry. Hey, Shataya. I think I said that correctly. What's up? How you doing? Okay. Let's see what this does. Any news? No, not that I know of. Do I know how to play chess? I do, kind of. I'm really bad at it. I'm really bad at it. I need to be better at chess, to be fair. But I can play it. I just haven't played it in a while. I played against Geordie the other day and he demolished me. Really quickly. It was quite mean. Oh, damn, Hammer! Don't be subtle about it. Like, which currency do you trade with me? Well, I'm trading in dollars if that's what you're asking, but I'm from South Africa and I'm trading Nasdaq futures. I don't trade the currencies. I hate that name so much. I hate that name. Dead cat bounce, but yes. I think. Noise.
Nice.
So you're probably thinking about Jake Peralta with that noise, huh? Cool. Rejection over there. Mother fluffer. Okay. New York. So I'm just here contemplating my life. Okay. I'll do a quick ICT poll. Yeah, let's do a quick ICT poll because I'm also quite curious. Damn, okay, apparently the heck knows are winning. I did not see that coming. Sugar honey iced tea. I like this for a quick scalp up. Go back in 25 for long. Shoot. That pull back into 1 for 5 for long. Stop will be 130. Rough. It just missed 1 for 5. Did you get in? Josh, did you get in? Check on opening range and go. That's why people are not profitable. What do you mean? In it. Let's see if I can get that pop. Nice. Oh no. So if I'd done the normal range. Oh, wasn't the keenest on it though. Our trade is different in new Nifty 50 event. Oh, nice. Well, as long as it works, right? Heck no, heck no. Oh gosh, damn, okay. Oh, the ICTers are here. Up to 50%. Well, it's 50%. Oh, okay, no, 56%. Ooh! ICT is on the way. They're not gonna let you beat this. The crazy buying. You mother bluffer. Shoot. Okay. That would have worked for a very quick scalp. What do you mean? Which people are not profitable? I'm so confused. Shariah. I took that 50 points. Nice! Hey Shane, what's up? Bingan, how you doing? How goes? How goes? Now we know. Jamie, what's up? How you doing? Hammer just coming here with shade right now. We still in the stop loss and profit. Microwave, you can't do that. Oh my gosh. The Optic Haze, what's up? Funded trading, yeah, sure. We'll call it that right now. More like, yeah. Holding on for dear life to this funded account. It's literally $100 away from being blown. If it does blow, you know, it is what it is. It was my first ever funded. Now I've gotten a little bit more confidence. Now we must just go, and if it does get blown, just get another eval and see if we can really get it crack-a-lackin'. I do have mods. Have I taken any trades? No, not today, Shane. What? Boom, yeah, I'm still here. Yeah, I'm still here. I was kind of keen on that trade. Didn't take it though, but that's fine. I'm not here for much longer, to be fair. I'm still go to bed. Bruh, it's the middle of the day. Oh, the heck knows have started to come to play. Yeah, why, Shariah? I'm waiting for you to answer the question of why do you say people are not profitable? Using what? Using ICT or not using ICT? I'm very confused about what standpoint you're on right now. Like, are you on the fence? Are you a hater? Are you a lover? Which one is it? What was the value for the account? And why they're closing? The value was a 50k. It was a 50k account. Okay, I think it's breakfast time. Nice. And like I said, I have $100 left on this, and then I've blown it. That's fine. Still waiting. Da 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 da. Murder, 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 murder. Jamie, sweet and simply. My honest thoughts are you in this to get rich quickly? No. If you're in it to treat it almost like a university, you're gonna take like 4 to 5 years to learn and understand and figure things out, and only then you're gonna start making money. So if you think of it as a marathon where you actually have to invest some money and time into yourself and your trading, then awesome. If you're hoping that this is gonna be quick and easy and you're gonna be making thousands by the end of the week, not for you. That is the honest opinion. If you're hoping this is a sprint and you're going to be making oh so much money very quickly, this is not the thing. If you are aware that this is going to be like a marathon and it's going to be hard, like even training for a marathon, there's going to be days where you want to give up, where you want to cry, where you're like, oh, this is not worth it. But once you push through, it's amazing. But you have to keep pushing through. It's payout requested. Hey, Dev! Nice! So you only lost 1.6k, that's sad. Yeah, it's fine. The Optic Haze, no. Worship. Oh, okay, got it. Okay, so that's where Shariah stands. Got it. That was not something. Alright, that's big Wave. Leave her alone. Hey, my fool, I'm trading Naswell. I'm sitting here watching Nasdaq. I actually have to go, guys. I have to go to the ponies. That's okay. New York will be where we see if we're gonna resuscitate or if the funded's gonna take its last breath. Hopefully there's a little bit more volume and we can see what we get. So if y'all are keen to see if today is the day, is the funded about to take its last ever breath? Or can we, you know, get the heart started again? Let's find out during New York. New York, New York. Hopefully we get some movement. That would be amazing. Okay, but just like that. Oh, here we go. Because I'm leaving, it's going to start pumping now, guys. Just watch. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. I actually had a blast. I know the charts were a bit meh, but we actually learned quite a bit today. Had lots of fun chatting with you guys. Like I said, I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. I will then see you New York Open. I will be here. The question is, will my funded stay alive? Okay. If you guys want discounts, you can use my code TeachMaya. If not, up to you. But I love you guys madly. See you later. Trade safe.